को बोल देता हूँ। वेलकम सुभाष जी, दीपेंद्र जी, वेलकम श्रीवेणी जी, पद्मा जी, प्रियंका ऑफ कोर्स, अमित जी, धीरज, संध्या जी, अजंता जी, राजन मेहरा, डॉक्टर शर्मिला, कनी गोगिया, Terry Bhai, of course, Yash, Vipanpreet Kaur, Dr. Shivangi, Swalin, wow, Smita ji, Sachin Jain, Jaspreet Kaur, Surbhi Joshi, Manas, Nonhit Kaur, wow. It has been a great event yesterday as well. And guys, we are live now. This is a host and host DJ Gaurav Jain, and it's show time now. Show time of what? This is the results time now. But let's have a more chit chat. I would love to know more about your, experience and feedbacks of yesterday and today's whole event. Sandhya ji, over to you. We have been, loved your content and speech, everything like anything. Can you say something about today's event? What was your experience and all? MS Talks. Mute.
Sorry, were you asking me? Because I missed out
Yes,
that little
Sandhya ji,
bit
I'm
in the
asking
network.
you. How was your experience with MS Talks?
मुझसे पूछ रहे हो ना आप?
हाँ जी, Sandhya ji.
It's been a great experience. I think I learned a lot from everyone, and everybody has a story that's a given, and it's very good to see everybody come out, into the open and talk about so many things, like the laws of attraction. I have a friend who totally believes in it, and Dipendra, I mean, hats off to you. I mean, it's amazing how much you have survived and grown out of just that survival mode into so much more. So it's been a great experience, I think, and Surbi I know from before, Swalin I know from before, and they've been, in my shows as well. I'm very happy to see all of them here. And thank you so much to the jury. You guys have been very enlightening in terms of the little tips that you have given. Even the ones that you gave others is a huge learning curve for all of us. Thank you so much, Gaurav.
Super, Sandhya ji. And now can I request Dheeraj Datta ji? Sir ji, we have a quick word from you. How was your experience today? You rocked it.
Thank you, Gaurav. Still learning, growing with God's blessings. And experience was amazing. And it was great listening to everyone. Everyone has a story, as Sandhya ji said. And just a little message that I want to give everyone is that each day we are not competing against others. You just have to beat your own record each day. That's it. That's the key. And just self-belief, self-discipline, and perseverance is the key. This is what helped me. I just try to compete my own record. That's it. My competition is not with anyone else. That's it for today.
Super, Dheeraj ji. And now, Dipender ji, over to you. How was your experience with MS Talks?
Sir, there's something called as vibe. So everything was coming quite positive over here. And the next thing, I've had other digital things also. But the participants and everyone was so mature that it wasn't difficult at all for, I guess, anybody, at least for me. And second thing is that learned lots of things. Like different ways of talking, listening to people, and understanding things from various point of views. सब डायमंड को अलग तरफ से देखते हैं तो चीजों का तो फर्क रहता ही है अंदर का तो इट वाज एक्सीलेंट अमेजिंग
क्या बात है, very nice. And now can I request Kenny Gogia, Jasdeep Kaur, of course, how was your experience with MS Talks? Please unmute yourself. Okay, I think she is not here. Can I move to Dr. Shivangi? Yes, over to you. We are really great to have you again. And please say a few words, your experience.
Hi, I'm there. I'm there, Gaurav.
Acha, theek hai. I think let me mute few people. Hold on, guys. Okay. Yes, Kenny, welcome back. I think let me mute few people. Hold on, guys. Yes, Kenny, welcome back.
Yeah. Gaurav, it was amazing actually listen to everyone and different point of views, and I mean these moments were great and unforgettable. Gaurav, it was amazing actually listening to
I can hear my voice echoing. I don't know. Please mute everyone.
And the best part is that different topics from different categories.
Wow.
So
Yes.
I listen to each and every. Yeah. And the best part is that
Somebody has two devices, I suppose. It's
हाँ
not
कैंडी जी
limited.
आप ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपके एक और डिवाइस में है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम पहाड़ों में बात कर रहे हैं, आवाज लौट के वापस आ रही है. All right, but thank you so much for sharing these beautiful words. And now over to Dr. Shivangi Baletia to share her experience. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Gaurav. Gaurav, you are an energy bomb, let me tell you. You were the bar of energy for every one of us, and you were connecting each one of us to each other. So that was so wonderful. A great host is always a cherry on the cake. Rather, I'll call you the filling of the cake, because the host is actually equivalent to filling. So wonderful. Kudos to your efforts. And then all the contestants, wonderful job, guys. बहुत अच्छा बोले आप लोग. A few speeches were completely connected, and they were heart to heart. And the message was very clear, it was crisp. And, I truly believe that whenever we get the opportunity to talk about something, जब भी हमें शब्दों की ऊर्जा को यूज करना होता है, उस ऊर्जा को हमें बहुत अच्छे डायरेक्शन में यूज करना चाहिए. Because this is the only way how we communicate, how we human beings communicate. हम लोग दुश्मन भी शब्दों के कारण बनते हैं और दोस्त भी शब्दों की वजह से बनते हैं, right? So even more than our actions, our words speak louder in today's world, especially in the digital era. तो आप लोगों ने, जिन लोगों ने अपने words का use करके एक बहुत अच्छी डायरेक्शन क्रिएट करी, एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट किया, to influence each one of us available here, is something which I would applause for, and is something which I would give an extra point for. So definitely fluency of talking, language आपकी कितनी clarity है language को लेकर, how much hold you have on the vocabulary, and how well you're using it. All these things do matter, but more than that is the essence, and the essence depends upon how much you're talking from the heart, how much spirit and soul you're adding to the talk, and how influencing is your talk. So I could, relate to many of you on those grounds. So kudos to all your efforts. आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा किया. And, to the master himself, Sherry, he has done a great job creating such a beautiful platform, allowing everyone to explore this side of their personality. So a good communication is actually the stakehold of a good society as a whole. The more we communicate, the more clear our communication, the more we can reach out to each other. So wonderful job. And thank you so much for having me over, Sherry and his entire team. Kara, you've been coordinating very well. So thank you so much. And Priya, it was a great honor to be alongside you, to listen to how keenly you actually judge and introspect each and every talk, and the way you give your tips and the various things to improve upon to the contestants. It's beautiful. So I learned a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shivangi. It is really, really super amazing. And now can I request Priyanka Behel to say a few words about today's experience?
Thank you, Gaurav. It all started last year. It still gives me nostalgic feeling when I was first being jury with MS Talk, and the series of juryship have started from here. I evolved as a person, being here, listening to different perspective. And we have seen how this platform has created visibility and growth, and phenomenal star we got in our galaxy just because of this great platform. We get to see a lot of people, we get inspiration, the tribe is growing, the vibes are growing, and we are having a lot of like-minded people sharing nugget of wisdom. And all this kudos to the mission 2030 by 1 million, public speaker, not only public speaker, but the influencer, I call them, the change maker, I call them, the crusader, I call them. And it is all because of Father Sherry. Thank you so much, MS Talk, as a community, what you're bringing, this beautiful stars from the galaxy and making our life more enlightened. And all of the eminent speakers out there, anytime we are here, we are getting to learn a new perspective. while you're communicating, you're just not communicating, you are giving us the viable education, the compassion and the joy of sharing, which can just feel and we can always get connected to. And there are some, among all of you are starting our own journey, but there are some stars which shines little extra on their stages. And perhaps this will be the moment today. But don't give up. If you have come up and if you have voice, if you have thoughts, just share it as much as possible. Use this voice as a change maker. Be someone who come up and share the thoughts and ideas and improve the life of others by sharing. So we look forward to have you more, and more better. So that's what from my side. And Gaurav, thank you. Hearty congratulations. I've seen you growing so well, and you are always so full of love, full of compassion, full of giving. And really, it's always a pleasure to have you and your energy. And humbled by Subhash sir, background में पीछे बहुत सारे वो काम कर जाते हैं बड़े-बड़े, front में नहीं आते. And Kara, who's been a spinal cord for this entire execution. Kara, thank you so much.
Wow, thank you so much, Priyanka ji. The coming out from you means a lot. So sweet. Thank you so much. And can I request Subhash ji as well, who's been a great pillar, great strength to MS Talks team. Subhash ji, a few words from you as well.
Thank you, Gaurav ji. Thank you very much. As everyone knows and everyone has already said, this was a great program. Digital Public Speaking Championship of 2020. This is the end of 2020. Now we will meet in 2021 with another competition. And as I told you, and as everyone knows, that it is Author Sherry who is bent upon to organize such programs every now and then, because his own target of producing public speakers 1 million by 2030 is coming fast, and he's working very hard. And all our best wishes, and it is all with all your cooperation. हमारी प्रियंका बहल जी हैं, डॉक्टर शिवांगी जी हैं, सरलीन जी हैं, ये जितने भी आदमी हैं, इनके सहयोग से ये काम चल रहा है और ये बहुत अच्छा चलेगा और अच्छा होगा. और जितने भी हमारे यहाँ पर जूरी मेंबर हैं, उनको मेरी बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, बधाई, कंग्रेचुलेशंस, यू हैव डन ए रियली गुड जॉब. और जब भी MS टॉक्स की तरफ से आपको न्योता आता है, आप आते हैं और अपना हुनर दिखाकर यहाँ पर हमें अच्छे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को इनाम देने के लिए फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड निकालते हैं. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं ज्यादा नहीं बोलता हुआ, अभी जरा रिजल्ट आ जाए और फिर बात करेंगे. एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच. और ये सारे मिलके जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स और हम MS टॉक्स के आदमी हैं, हमें सबको थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट विशेस देनी है ऑथर शेरी जी को, कि वो इसी लगन से, इसी भावना से, इसी प्रेम से ये काम आगे बढ़ाते रहें और हम उनके साथ हैं. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू से, एंड आवर सपोर्ट इज ऑलवेज देयर, एंड वी हैव व्हाटएवर ही हैज डिसाइडेड, it is to be fulfilled before 2030. For that, our all best wishes and cooperation. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. And I second your thoughts, Subhash ji. We are with Author Sherry for his amazing, great mission of 1 million speakers by 2030. And now can I request Swalene Kaur to say a few words about her experience. She has been a winner of 2019 Digital Public Speaking. Now, Public Speaking Championship 2020 जो ऑफलाइन हमारा गुड़गांव में हुआ था, एग्जैक्टली आज 1 साल हो गया है उसको. 21 तारीख को हम लोगों ने किया था, when we all met for the first time. Priyanka Bahal and so many people, repetitive people are also here. So Swalene, how was your experience? Please say in few words. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Gaurav. It is an honor. I mean, speaking in front of everyone and being a jury with Pearl, Shivangi ma'am, Subhash ji, it's an honor for me. I mean, life has been it just seems to have taken one complete circle, And when I look back, I think there's so much of learning that has happened all through this time. And I always think of, what I've learned in all these years. I unlearned something and I relearned. And that's how, life has actually taken a complete U-turn for me. So Pearl is here. I can see her smiling. Of course, I met Shivangi ma'am first time at your platform. I remember when Ashman won her first nationals. So yes, MS Talks has been doing a phenomenal job. Sherry sir has been actually, he's leading his mission in such a beautiful manner. The development I see, every now and then, a competition being held, and we're talking about the competitions that he's been holding. But one thing that, according to me, is quite phenomenal is it comes back every time with the same spirit, the same zeal, and I think all the more energetic and enthusiasm you feel whenever that beat comes up with another public speaking championship coming up. Of course, you never know where life changes. Unfortunately, I could not hear everyone out of you today here, but I know immensely you must all have been phenomenal, as the judges are telling me. Yesterday also we had a tough competition. It was really difficult to make out. I mean, judging these students is actually a task. Believe me, it's never been that difficult, but really it was a task, getting into who's who. But one thing always remains, the foremost thing is we are here means a lot. We have that energy, we have that courage to speak, whether it is online or offline. If we are speaking, I mean, one step we are ahead. So I look forward to the results today, and I am really honored, Shivangi ma'am. I'm really blessed and thrilled to be here with you this noon. I mean, it's almost my day's been made. Priyanka, hats off to you. And Subhashji, thanks for being there. You would not have been there. Judgment would have been really difficult yesterday. So thanks to you. Thank you, Sherry sir. Gaurav, phenomenal as always, energetic, enthusiastic. And don't forget, after this judgment, I have to make a call to you because still, my golden walas are still pending with you.
Of course, of course. In fact, somebody was showing the gold coin today. I forgot the name, and I remember you. Okay, हाँ, swelling को भी पसंद है. Shriveni, yeah, Shriveni was showing in the end. I was like, अरे ये तो gold coin आ ही गया. Super, super. So thank you for coming and getting the occasion, Swelleen, and it's really great, great, great event. And what should I say? I'm out of words now, and now it's time to call the man himself, MS Talks founder, the great, great Sapit Chahete, author Sherry भाई, जिन्होंने हमें इतना बढ़िया सुंदर फर्स्ट क्लास एक इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है MS Talks का. सर जी, you are great, महान. हम सब लोग आपके साथ में हैं. Now, please say something, and then it's results time. Over to you, Sherry भाई.
Thank you, Gaurav, for your kind words. I'm just doing my work. So great, Mahan, I'm just doing my work, my buddy. And thank you to all the esteemed jury members for their wonderful contribution, guidance, and support all the way through in these last 2 days. Swelleen ji, Subhash ji, Shivangi ji, and Priyanka ji, you have been really phenomenal. The way you have spoken to each and every participant, pre or post performances, wherever it's required, and the way you have guided them is simply awesome. And I'm astonished to see some electrifying, inspiring performances from all the participants. Just goes to show what it takes to prepare for a championship to be won, what it takes to get out and get into your nerves so that you are performing at your peak, what it takes to get into the heart and soul level and decide what you're going to speak and what you're going to say, because each and every word matters. And the way we put in the heart, mind, and soul with the right jazba to each and every word is what decides what we are going to achieve in these kind of events and championships. So whether you are picking up a feeling, whether you are picking up a rhetorical tool, whether you are picking up an anecdote, analogy, example, stories, whatever it is, all what matters is that you are performing at your best. And trust me, the results have been really, really tough. We were just thinking whom to make the winner because the competition was so close. It was so difficult for the jury members to decide what to do. And as Swelleen has mentioned, she was trying to just share that how I came up with the different energy all the time with new championships. Well, all I have to say is if you have your profession, mission, vocation, and passion all falling in one place, you find that sweet spot. And if you have that sweet spot clear with you, believe you me, you can work with the same energy and enthusiasm in your profession. And that's exactly what is happening. And all I have to say is the way contribution has been done by Subhaji on the back end, Kara and the entire team, Gaurav, I have just, I've just seen them working very hard day in and day out, the coordination. So thank you very much, team, for all your guidance and support. And the credit goes to each one of you for making this possible and creating this platform for all the people who want to share their real life stories, experiences, and thoughts out there. So let's now come to the last moment. And this is what we all have been waiting for. We have been waiting for the final results. I'm just going to share the screen and we have the names ready. I would request Gaurav to take it forward and announce the jury members. Accordingly, they will announce the winners. And I'm just going to share the screen. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Right. Thank you so much, Sherry Bhai. And guys, it's show time. It's results line. Dhak, 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 dhak. Yeah. So here we go. तो सबसे पहले हम यूथ कैटेगरी जो हमारा डे 1 था yesterday 19th of December को सेकंड रनर अप के लिए सो कैन आई इनवाइट सुभाष जी
जी
yeah please announce the second runner up the guesses guys you can use the chat room chatting पे बता सकते हैं
नहीं बोल आई एम नॉट ऑडिबल
नहीं मैं बच्चों की बात कर रहा हूँ कि अगर किसी को गेस करना है so the second runner up yes
देखिए ऐसे है कि सेकंड रनर अप के लिए हमें थोड़ी सी मुशक्कत करनी पड़ी
yes
तो हमारे बहुत अच्छे स्पीकर थे तो वहां पर हमें एक दो कैंडिडेट्स में टाई अप करना पड़ा है एक है मैशा कसूरिया भूटान से और एक है नौनिध कौर सिंगापुर से
wow
Congratulations to Maisha.
Congratulations, Maisha and Nonid. Super.
Congratulations, you were amazing.
Maisha and Nonid, if you are here, please say a few words. The winning speech. On your camera and unmute yourself fast. I saw Nonid here. Nonid?
Hi.
Yes. How are you feeling?
Gaurav, can we have her on the screen, please?
Yes. Sherry, yes. All right. Hey, we have Nonid Kaur from Singapore.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Anything you want to say? How was your experience with MS Talks and anything?
This is my first time on this platform, MS Talks.
Uh-huh.
I think it was really nice. It's a really good experience to give a speech on online. So, yeah, it's really nice.
Nana, can I ask you something?
Yes.
How did you think of starting? Your start was unbelievable. I mean, it was magical. How did you actually come up with that point?
Well, I just thought of something that I want to speak about. I thought of something that I want to tell people about, that I want to reach out to them about. And then this topic came to me, and I gave the speech, and
that was quite connecting.
Yeah.
Super awesome, guys. So that was Nonid Kaur from Singapore. And do we have Maisha also here by any chance? Okay, anyways, so we'll send the certificate to her. And wow, what an amazing creative as well. Great color combination. I think Nonid ka jo chashme ka color hai wo same hai. So next we have is the first runner-up. And can I request Swaleen to announce the winner of first runner-up? म्यूट करके बोलना है, म्यूट करके नहीं.
Sorry.
It's okay.
All right. Any guesses from anyone here? All those were present yesterday. I mean, her smile said everything yesterday. Any guesses? All right. That's Akriti. That's Akriti Singh.
Yay, Akriti! Congratulations, Akriti, you are here. Mute yourself if you are here. Okay, I think she's not here, but she will be definitely very, very happy. She was the first one to start the event yesterday, the very first speaker, and she stole our hearts. Amazing. Super, super awesome. All right, and now it is the time for what? The winner, the number one winner. Who is the winner for the Youth Digital Public Speaking Championship 2020? Any guesses, guys? Use the chat room, type it, or maybe shout it out. Who can? Come on, yeah, you can say me. Here we have, can we have the winners? Saleen Kaur and Subhashji, please say the name.
Yeah.
It's already there. It's Vidhi single.
It's already there.
Yeah,
Vidhi single.
Zordar तालियां हो जाए. Vidhi really rocked
Vidhi
it.
here?
Congratulations, Vidhi.
She nailed
Here,
it.
Gaurav?
Vidhi, I'm not sure. Vidhi, you're here. Vidhi. No, she is not here. But anyways, she must be very, very happy. She stole the show. She's actually nailed it. We were like, oh, amazing. Yaar, kya
The
jabardast.
kind, she was playing with her props one after the another,
Oh,
and
yes.
connecting one after the another. It was like one or two boxes of train joined together.
Oh, yes.
Very impressive. Very impressive.
Truly deserved to
Very
be the number
impressive.
one.
Very impressive. She did excellently. Marvelous job.
Yes. All right, friends. And now it is time for day 2. The senior people. Kisne kya kamal kiya hai? First, second, third. Founder's choice. So, can I request Priyanka Bahel to announce the senior category A winners? And let's start from the second runner-up.
Yeah, thank you so much, Gaurav. So, as I mentioned, all of you have done tremendous job, but there are two. This is also a tie between two people, since we couldn't decide who is better than each other. So the second runner-up in category B is being done by Dheeraj Datta and Dipendra Yadav. Dheeraj and Dipendra Yadav. Hearty
Congratulations, Dheeraj and Dipendra.
Yay! Congratulations! So, Dheeraj and Dipendra, please unmute yourself and say a few words quickly. It's a winning speech time.
So Dipendra, you go first.
No, you go first, sir.
All right.
ये ट्रेन निकल जाएगी पहले आपके चक्कर में शुरू हो जाओ.
Thanks everyone for this wonderful opportunity, and it was a great learning experience listening to each and every one of you, and definitely it made my day, and I have learned a lot, and I'm gonna come, I'm gonna be better next time. Yes.
Great, fantastic. That's a spirit, Dheeraj ji. You rocked it, man. You rocked it. And now, Dipendra ji, over to you. A few words. How was the feeling?
Actually, the thing is that such a platform is like you can't expect that anything can be much better than this. I just was viewing it, Sherry sir's profile, and I found that this is a competition which is going to be held, and I immediately applied. So I WhatsApped on that number, I guess, at 3 a.m. in the morning. So I'm lucky that I WhatsApped it, and thank you everyone. Thank you very much. It was excellent, like lifetime experience, and next time I'll be also better.
Yeah, baat hai, lovely. And you are the chosen one. It's all divine time, and I wish you all the very, very best.
Thank you.
And now it's time to announce the first runner-up. Can I request Dr. Shivangi to announce the winner, please? First runner-up, second prize.
The first, second, and third, all three categories were really difficult to decide upon. And ये मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रही हूँ क्योंकि ये बोलना चाहिए रिजल्ट से पहले. मैं इसीलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि सच में बहुत मुश्किल था. It was very, very difficult. And I always believe that जिस speech में या जिस talk में हल्का सा emotional content होता है, वो talk हमेशा wonders कर जाती है. So for the men folk especially, आपको थोड़ा जरूरी है कि आप इस पॉइंट को नोट करें कि आपको थोड़ा इमोशनल कंटेंट डालने की जरूरत है टॉक के अंदर. So the women usually are able to manage that emotion because we have it in ourselves, it's inbuilt that we are emotionally turned over people. So the second prize goes to Sakshi Kaur.
Hey, Sakshi!
Congratulations, Sakshi.
Congratulations!
and she was beautiful, and she just conveyed her entire talk very, very beautifully, and she had that she
I
explained
think she
law
has manifested it.
I think she's cheering.
Yeah. Sakshi, please on your camera as well. We can only listen to you.
Yes, I'm hearing, and I really am really elated, happy, can't express. I mean, I thought I would not win because of the background issues which were quoted by every one of you, and I was feeling a little depressed.
On your camera, please.
Today,
On your camera.
But today I am feeling the. Yes, can you see me?
Now
I'm standing at the most auspicious place of my life. It's Gurdwara Sahib, Paonta Sahib Gurdwara, and I'm here today, right now. Greatest news have come. I'm so happy to express myself and just engulfed in the emotions and optimism again. The law of attraction worked as I actually imagined it. Thank you.
It will keep working in your life forever.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Congratulations,
and I would
Sakshi.
also like to mention one thing. Swareen, ma'am, you're here. And she has been my motivation throughout, as I have came to know about this platform through her only. And she had been my, a great support to me. And as she said, I have started from here, and I thought, our aspirations are almost similar. And see, ma'am, thank you so much. You have been the motivation.
You were phenomenal. I tell
Thank you so much. Thanks a ton.
All right, friends. So that was Sakshi and well deserved. So
thank you so much.
Great, congratulations again. And दोस्तों, अब time आ गया है इसका. I request to mute. Okay. Now. So winner, the number one category, the number one prize, Digital Public Speaking Championship 2020. And any guesses? Please unmute yourself. No, please mute yourself. कि अभी बहुत important announcement हो रही है. Can I request Dr. Shivangi and Priyanka maybe announce together the winner's name?
I feel that we.
Okay, we already have the chattings में नाम आने शुरू हो गए हैं भाई. अपना नाम लिखना है, किसी और का नहीं. So, any guesses? Yes, we have. अच्छा, देखते हैं chattings में किस-किसके नाम आ रहे हैं. थोड़ा सा इसमें break ले, वो करते हैं. कोई किसने लिखा है? सुरभि, okay, and और बस एक ही नाम लिखा. संध्या, okay.
Surbhi has written Sandhya's name.
Sandhya has written Surbhi name.
ये तो नहीं, स्मिता ने लिखा है सुरभि का.
All right.
अच्छा, before we announce the winner, Vidhi has joined, जो कि youth category की winner है. So Vidhi, congratulations, you yourself won a prize. So can we have a winning speech from you? Congratulations. Can we share the screen again for Vidhi? Vidhi, please unmute yourself. बस और इंतजार करवाते हैं लोगों को.
Yes, she's there.
Yeah, Vidhi, congratulations. Yes.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes, you got the first prize.
Can you see your name?
Oh, thank you, sir.
अरे थैंक यू बेटा, आपने इतने अच्छे से किया है. How are you feeling बेटा?
विधि, आप हो वहाँ पे बेटे? Are you there? I think she's not there. Some network issue.
No,
She has joined.
She's there.
Spotlight her, yeah.
विधि, तुम पहले से
not at home.
मुझे पता है तुम मॉल में घूम रहे हो क्योंकि you were so confident that you are going to win and you have already told your mama to get some shopping done because you have already won it. And that's exactly what you are doing. कौन से मॉल में हो अभी?
Yeah, sir. Now we are coming in a private zone.
Okay, ma'am. Congratulations to you.
We are very, very, very happy and excited. Actually,
So are we.
So I thought, चलो कर लेंगे.
आपके आंसू दिखे नहीं, थोड़ा ठीक से दिखाओ भाई. आंखें गिरता नहीं दिखा.
Zoom पे zoom कर लो.
No, ma'am, congratulations to
10 to
you.
19 years, Vidhi is so young. तो कहाँ चलो एक learning experience था इसलिए कहा विधि आप कर लो participate इसके अंदर.
But she was phenomenal, I tell you, the kind of props she was carrying and the confidence that she showed, the voice and the gait that she was wearing. I mean, hats off to her.
ये ऐसा है, आपका नाम क्या है? आपकी मैम आपका नाम क्या है?
विधि की
Sir, my name is Surina.
सुरीना, इसका क्रेडिट आप ही को जाता है, जिस हिसाब से आपने विधि को प्रिपेयर कराया, मोटिवेट कराया यहाँ तक आने के लिए, और जैसे आपने उसको प्रिपेयर कराया है। और देखो फिर तो अल्टीमेटली विधि के ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर था कि कैसे मुझे परफॉर्म करना है, कैसे मुझे इसको प्रेजेंट करना है, तो विधि ने आपको बिल्कुल भी निराश नहीं करा। She has exceeded your expectations.
Because of her, she motivates me. वो ना step by step इतना अच्छा करती है, day by day she is improving, and this thing really motivates me to see कि मैं और अच्छा content लिखूं इसके लिए, the expression, everything. And
Many congratulations to everybody in the family, ma'am. Great work.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Surina. Congratulations, Vidhi, once again. It's the second prize you have won in one competition, right? One after another week.
And thank you so much, Salim, ma'am. One thing that I've learned
My pleasure to hear her and guide her. She is amazing.
that it should be crisp and it should be interactive. You know, ये मुझे बात याद रहेगी. It should be interactive.
You should be rather
मुझे
thankful
लगा
to the
विधि का
jury.
बहुत lengthy हो गया.
Yes.
But there was
yes.
so much to write on her.
अच्छा सुनो, आप भी बड़ा अच्छा बोल रहे हो वैसे impromptu. कभी आना है स्टॉक्स पे, मिलते हैं.
Very well said, of course.
एंजॉय करने वाली हूँ नहीं.
चलो, God bless you, enjoy, और कुछ मेरी तरफ से भी विधि को खिलाना, मोमिटा खिलाना, बेचारी कितनी कमजोर हुई पड़ी है.
She already had a burger.
अच्छा, बर्गर खा लिया. चलो ठीक है. Enjoy yourself, guys. Congratulations and enjoy your day.
Thank you so
Over to you,
much.
Gaurav. God bless
Hi,
you,
God
Sri.
bless you. And dosto, now it is time to announce the winner of senior categories. And number one, I can see few names already. संध्या जी लिख रही है सुरभि का नाम, सुरभि जी लिख रही है संध्या का नाम, एंड स्मिता जी ने भी लिखा सुरभि का नाम. सुरभि जी को जाते हैं 2 वोट और संध्या जी को जाता है 1 वोट. कम ऑन गाइस, कैन वी हैव सम मोर नेम्स इन द चैट रूम? Of course, it is going to be there in front of you very soon. अपना नाम किसने नहीं लिखा यार? Okay, so can I request Dr. Shivangi to announce the winner?
Sure, Gaurav. I think I would need Priyanka's support in this.
Yeah, we have a kind of great, juryship together. Dr. Shivangi and I, we have it's such a blessing to share the platform with her always.
The feelings are mutual, Priya.
Easier.
And what I feel is why we both need to be together to be announcing this is because it's a tie. And
Yes.
Oh my God, again a tie.
it was so close,
Wow.
both these people. And मैं emotions के ऊपर ही हमेशा बात करती हूँ. So both these people, they showed us very, very, the two opposite poles of emotional length. One made us laugh like anything. We were laughing our hearts out. And the other one touched just the right emotional chord on the heart. And she expressed herself so fully and so openly that, we couldn't stop our tears from coming out. So both these moments are equally precious, equally special. So Priya, please go ahead.
All right. So there is a tie since we would be announcing this 2 names. And the first name which I'm going to announce is that's Sandhya Suriji. And
Super.
It's a tie, and I would request Dr. Shivangi, she's been my mentor. She's always so great. She gives me this first opportunity, but please announce the name. I take it as a command from you, out of love, I take it as a command from you.
Thanks, Priya. And the second name, of course, the stand-up comedian of the afternoon, that is Surbhi Joshi. And
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
We loved you both. It was so nice and so engaging, so encapturing. It was so wonderful to listen to both of you. Congratulations.
All right. So can we have a winning speech from the Sandhya ji and of course Dr. Surbhi. Surbhi ji, पहले आपसे सुनते हैं.
सुनोगे? So I would like to thank my parents जिन्होंने मुझे बोलना सिखाया. I would like to thank my daughter who is my greatest critic. I would like to thank my husband. कच्चा पक्का जो पकाओ खा लेता है बेचारे कुछ नहीं बोलता. I would like to thank my काम वाली बाई who ensures कि मुझे किचन के बारे में ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देना पड़ता है. I would like to thank A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, X, Y, Z, everyone. And jokes apart, I would like to thank Author Sherry for the wonderful platform. For all his guidance, and I think life has come a full circle. Impromptu championship से एक step, एक सीढ़ी चढ़ते चढ़ते आज यहाँ तक पहुँची. So thank you very much, everyone. Glad you liked it. It's given me confidence.
Surbhi, there is this action for you. तुझे किसी का करना लगे. We love you, yaar. We love you seriously.
Thank you.
Super, and we would love to have more from you.
Yes, now
Coming
there's
soon.
a little confidence. अब घर वाले कुछ बोलेंगे तो मैं कह दूंगी तुम.
तैयारी करने में मेहनत लगती है गौरव. तू तो ऐसे बोल देता है more from you. तैयारी भी तो करनी है उनको.
भाई दिल मांगे more. All right, and now can I request Sandhya ji? Please, how are you feeling?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think, for everybody, this year has been really, really tough. And I've been trying to do so much in this year despite everything else. And this is a great end to the year. I think there's no better way to do this. And this is something because last week I got from She the People Speaks 40 out of 40 women they were picking from the country, and they picked me as one of them. But this is a great end to it. Thank you so much, Author Sherry, for this platform. The jury members, Gaurav, you're full of energy, and Surbhi, thank you so much, and congratulations. Surbhi's been on my platform as well, and it was a riot whatever you did. You are going to come back on my show as well. But thank you so much for today. I think this was great in the sense that this is the first time I've actually come out about it, and this platform means a lot because today is the first time I actually spoke out in public live with everybody about what had happened and the entire journey through. So thank you everybody for this. Thank you so much.
Super awesome. Thank you, and truly deserves Sandhya ji. And दोस्तों, last but not the least, अभी एक award बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, and that is none other than Founder's Choice. So can I request Author Sherry bhai to announce the overall champion, Founder's Choice of MS Talks Digital Public Speaking Championship 2020, and the name is, any guesses?
Thank you, Gaurav. I think it has been a very, very tough call, like the juries have said, and it was very difficult to announce one single winner out of this competition where so many things happened, so many emotions, so many excellent performances, electrifying performances by the participants. It was really tough call for me as well to announce and handpick that person, that individual, that lady or that male, probably because it's very, very difficult to find out certain intricacies, how people are performing. And there were like great performances by Super Suresh, by Ajanta, and by a couple of more people. But finally, we could figure it out that the individual who deserves the more today is none other than Jaspreet Kaur Baudraj. Congratulations for being the Founder's Choice overall champion. And this is just your hard work coming up. All the very best. Congratulations, Jaspreet.
Hey, Jaspreet, congratulations. If you're here, please unmute yourself.
Thank you so much, sir. I didn't expect this, and it was more of an impromptu for me today because I've been so much occupied because of my book, and I couldn't prepare really well. I tried to give my best in the next turn. Thank you so much, everyone, once again.
You rocked it. Fantastic. Truly deserved. Congratulations again. And Author Sherry, over to you. I mean, I'm out of words. This is so amazing. Man to kar nahi raha jaane ka. But of course, we have to wrap up the show. But amazing. What an amazing 2 days event. Thank you so much for, coming up with this amazing championship events. Such a great learning, great insights. And this time jury, I just love hearing them and listening them. Whenever they talk to the participants, they're like, wow. Wow, what a fantastic.
Excuse me. Hello.
Yeah, Maisha's mother, I think we have. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. This is Maisha's mother here.
Yeah, congratulations. You also got the prize, Maisha. Congratulations.
She's here only. Thank you so much. Actually, she has participated for the first time, and thank you so much for giving this platform. And Swali ma'am, thanks a ton, because she is the channel through which we have come here. And thank you so much. And she's done. I mean, she is the perfect channel, and I actually know words for her.
मैम उसको बुलाओ, आप उसको बोलने दो।
Maisha,
Let Maisha speak.
I want to talk to Maisha.
Maisha from Bhutan.
Maisha is here. We are in Bhutan right now.
We want to talk to Maisha.
Maisha, congratulations.
Good evening, Maisha. How are you feeling?
Ma'am, I'm feeling nice. Like I was expecting that. I was also feeling so nervous. I was feeling so nervous, but then after that, I thought that this is a really good platform, and I will learn a lot from.
Now she is going to be part of it.
Of course, we've learned from her. She was super awesome.
If you remember, Author Sharif, I hope I should address you like that, as everyone addresses you, because this is my first time I'm interacting with you.
Sure,
I remember you had started your speech when you started this program yesterday,
Okay.
and your punch line was, make your fear as strength, if you remember.
Yeah. मैम बोला
So
होगा, कोई बात नहीं, आप बोलिए।
So I was like, that is working for both of us rather. So I will make her fear and my fear is a strength now in every
Yeah.
field.
God bless you, and if you can prepare Maisha.
She'll be there always now. She'll be participating now more and more.
Lovely. Wow. Awesome. I think the other Sherry has some network issue. Where is it? It's here. Your voice is breaking, Sherry.
Yourself also, I always say this so well, and showing her the. Yeah, I think I'm back now. So I was just thanking Swaling ji for referring MS Talks, and I said that if you can prepare Maisha so well, you can prepare yourself too, as good as you have done with Maisha. And yes, of course, we look forward.
And I'll also participate in senior category someday.
Yeah, you're most welcome. I mean, God bless and congratulations once again. This is your day, and kudos to Maisha and Swaling ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks, Atal. Good evening.
All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you to all the jury members. Thank you all the participants. Thank you to author Sherry, Kara ma'am, Rajat bhai, and of course Subhash ji and all the participants. This is the host and host DJ Gaurav Jain signing off from DPSC 2020. बहुत जल्दी हम एक और competition लेकर आने वाले हैं. Stay tuned. Keep
Happy
showering
New
your
Year,
love.
everybody. Happy New Year.
Yes.
2020 का बहुत अच्छा अंत हुआ है और 2021 में अब हम जा रहे हैं. And I hope this year is going to bring a lot of happiness, peace, and success for each one of you and your dear ones. And thank you very much for choosing MS Talks. Thank you very much for trusting us. Thank you to all the jury members for taking out your precious time and contributing. And this is needless to say, you were outstanding, guiding everybody. Once again, Subhashi, Gaurav, Kara, my other team members who are not here right now, but their support has been incredible. Congratulations to all the winners. भगवान ने लाज रख ली, मेहनत सफल हुई, माँ बाप का आशीर्वाद काम आया और आपकी अपनी मेहनत भी काम आई. So बहुत बहुत बधाई. And Swaleen, thank you so much for your wonderful support. Sorry I missed out your name.
My pleasure, sir. Always, sir.
And everybody, thank you very much for joining in, and goodbye from my side.
Yeah, thanks to our media partners once again, Navdrishi Times and Punjab Kesari, powered by Z Premium Lubricants, and thanks to the marketing team as well for coming up with such a lovely, wonderful posters and certificates. It's such a great feeling, when we share it and when we have it. So thank you so much, everyone, for your wonderful coordination and cooperation and contribution. Take care. Merry Christmas in advance and wishing you a very, very happy New Year as well.
Yes, Happy New Year to everyone and Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. चलो ये कर दो हो गया जी
Okay, we can stop the live. We are still live.